Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Engineering All-in-One. In this video we will see MCQs on the hottest sites of India. So let us start with the question number 1. Question number 1 is here. Khajuraho group of monuments dedicated to the Hinduism and Jainism were built by. The options are Chandira dynasty, Gupta dynasty or none. Khajuraho group of monuments dedicated to the Hinduism and Jainism were built by. The right option to this question is option number first, Chandila dynasty. Related to the monuments, they are located in the MP, Madhya Pradesh. Now see second question here. The question is about the Humayun's tomb. Now reading the full question regarding Humayun's tomb, correct option is it is located in Delhi. It was designed by the Mirza Ghiyas and his son Sayyid Muhammad, first garden tomb of the Indian subcontinent, or all of the above are correct. So these are the few statements related to the Humayun's tomb, and we have to here identify that which one of the following is correct. The right option to this question is option number D. All the statements are correct. It is located in Delhi. It was designed by Mirza Ghiyas and his son, and also it was the first garden tomb on the Indian subcontinent. So moving to the question number 3 here, it is the fill in the blank. The question is the walled city of Ahmedabad, founded by the Sultan Ahmad Shah in the 15th century, located on the eastern bank of Dash River. So we have to here answer on which river it is located. The right option to this question is Sabarmati River. Here is the answer, Sabarmati River. Now see the location. This is the Ahmedabad here in the red, and this is the Sabarmati River following here. You can get a clue. Now see question number 4 here. Hill photos of Rajasthan are included in the World Heritage Site. Hill photos of Rajasthan includes. First and foremost thing we have to remember that hill photos of Rajasthan are included in the World Heritage Site. So this question can be framed. Now hill photos of Rajasthan include Chittorgarh, Kumbhalgarh, Jaisalmer, or all of the above. The right option to this question is option number D. All of the above are included in the hill photos of Rajasthan. Also, 3 more are included in the hill stations of Rajasthan: Jaipur, Jalawar, and Madhapur. Now see the image of these photos. Chittorgarh Fort. One more is here, Kumbhalgarh Fort, Madhapur Fort, Jalawar Fort, Jaisalmer Fort, and Amar Fort. It is located in Jaipur. As you can see, it is located in Jaipur. Now see question number 5 here. Group of monuments at Pattadakhal are located in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, or none. First and third options are same. So we have to here identify the correct option. These monuments are located in. The right option to this question is option number 2, Karnataka. Now see 7th question here. Group of monuments at the Mahabalipuram were founded by Pallava kings, Chalukyas, Chaluhas, or none. Group of monuments at Mahabalipuram. The question is who founded them? Pallava kings, Chalukyas, or Cholas, or none. The right option to this question is option number first, Pallava kings. And a question is set for you. Where are these monuments located? You can comment in the type your answer in the comment box. You have to answer where these monuments are located. Now see question number 8 here. Fatehpur Sikri, built in the 16th century by the Emperor Akbar, is located in Delhi, UP, Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim, or Goa. The right option to this question is option number B, Uttar Pradesh. Now see ninth question here. Which of the following building is not located in the Fatehpur Sikri? So we have to here identify which of the following building is not located in Fatehpur Sikri. Already in the previous MCQ we saw that it is located in UP. Now we have to here identify among the four options which of the following is not located in Fatehpur Sikri. First option is Tomb of Salim Chasti. Panch Mahal is the second option. Buland Darwaza and Moti Masjid. The right option to this question is option number D, Moti Masjid. Moti Masjid is not located in the Fatehpur Sikri. Now see few images related to the Fatehpur Sikri. These buildings are found here. Buland Darwaza, Diwan Khas, Tomb of Sheikh Salim Chasti, Jodabai Palace, and Panch Mahal. Now see 10th MCQ here. Mahabodhi Temple Complex at the Bodh Gaya is located in Orissa, Bihar, Delhi, or none. The right option to this question is option number 2nd, Bihar. Now to remember this, see here Mahabodhi, B is here, and remember B, Bodhi, Bihar. Related to this Mahabodhi temple, first temple was built by the Emperor Ashoka. Also, it is a sacred place in Buddhism. So remember this thing. See 11th question here. Ellora cave was located in dash dash. Delhi, Aurangabad, UP, or none. So we have to here identify the correct option. Either it is Delhi, Aurangabad, or UP, or none. Where are Ellora caves located? These are located in the Aurangabad. 12th question here is, which statement is correct or related to the Ellora caves? Already in the previous MCQ we saw that the Ellora caves are located in Aurangabad. Now related to the Ellora caves, these two statements are given. So we have to here identify which statement is correct. Now reading the statement is, first statement is Rashtriya Kuta dynasty constructed the part of Hindu and Buddhist caves. This is the statement 1. Second statement is Yadava dynasty constructed number of Jain caves. Third option is both or none. The correct option to this question is option number C, both. Both the statements are correct. Now see 13th question here. Red Fort of the Agra is built of red sandstones, marble, basalt, or none. The right option to this question is option number 1, red sandstones. Now remember this way. In the Red Fort, first alphabet is red, R. R is the first alphabet. In the red sandstones, first alphabet is R. So remember this way. Now this is also one of the important MCQ in the world heritage sites in India. We have to here answer how many total number of world heritage sites are located in India. Options are 40, 38, 34, 32. The right option to this question is option number 2nd, 38. Total number of heritage sites are 38. Now see these lines. There are 38 world heritage sites. 30 among 38 are cultural, 7 are natural, okay, 1 is mixed. Once more, there are total 38 world heritage sites in India. Among 38, 30 are cultural, 7 are natural, 1 is mixed. Also remember these lines. India has the 6th largest number of world heritage sites. Now see 15th question. Nilgiri mountain railway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located in Assam, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, or none. So the four options are given. Nilgiri mountain railway are located in. The right option to this question is option number 2nd, Tamil Nadu. Whereas Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, these are also included in the World Heritage Site. They are located in West Bengal. Also Kalka Shimla Railway, Kalka, Kalka, this is also included in the World Heritage Site, and this is located in Shimla. So there are 3 railways as a UNESCO World Heritage Sites. This is in the Tamil Nadu, Darjeeling is in the West Bengal, and Kalka is in the Shimla. Remember these things. Now, 16th question. Nalanda University, located in the Bihar, was founded by Dash in the 5th century. First and foremost thing we need to remember this, where it is located. It is located in Bihar. So this is the point. First point need to be remembered. Now the question is, who founded it in the 5th century? The options here are given. First option is Kumar Gupta I of the Gupta dynasty. Second option is here Ashoka. Third option is here Narsingh Deva I of the Eastern Ganga dynasty. And fourth option is none. The right option to this question is option number 1. Kumar Gupta I of the Gupta dynasty founded it. 17th question is here. Which of the following is the oldest stone structure of India and commissioned by the Mauryan king Ashoka? The option is here Amravati Stupa, Peshawar Stupa, Sanchi Stupa, or none. The right option to this question is option number C, Sanchi Stupa. Now see this, see the image of this stupa, the great stupa at Sanchi. This is the image of this stupa. I have tried my best to settle. If you feel any kind of mistake, forgive that. Also, if you wish to add any extra point, you are welcome in my comment box. Also, I have asked you a question in the video, so you are requested to answer in the comment box. Also, I request you, if you have got some amount of information from my video, subscribe the channel. That is the best way to say thanks to me. Thanks, stay blessed.